The removal of sterile filters, whether for integrity testing, development, or managing process deviations, is a routine part of manufacturing. But the real difference lies in how easily, safely, and consistently this task is performed, impacting both product quality and operator safety. Achieving true process closure depends on the technology you choose. SeriesLock Xgen delivers a clean, tool-free solution. With a controlled twist, the line is isolated, allowing the filter to be removed and replaced in seconds, with the sterile boundary fully protected throughout the operation. Competitors may claim both are closed, but only one is designed with real-world performance in mind. Compared to traditional workflows, Xgen reduces steps, reduces materials, and reduces operator burden. The process is faster, easier to train, and more consistent from one operator to another. Xgen strengthens process integrity and supports better product outcomes. No extra equipment, no complexity, just faster workflows, less waste, and confident control. SeriesLock Xgen, changing the way you connect.